Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable vertical tabs in Zen Browser in 2026. If you want a cleaner layout and easier tab management, vertical tabs can really improve your browsing experience. First, open Zen Browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Next, click the menu button in the top right corner of the browser window and open the Settings page. Now look for the Appearance or Tab section in the Settings menu. Next, find the tab layout option and check if vertical tabs is available. Now enable the vertical tabs toggle to switch your tab bar from the top to the side of the browser. Next, observe how your tabs are now displayed on the left or right side of the screen for easier navigation. Now adjust any additional tab settings such as compact mode, tab grouping, or auto-hide sidebar if available. Next, open multiple tabs to test how the vertical layout works in real browsing situations. If you don't see the option, make sure Zen Browser is updated to the latest version, as newer features may not be available in older builds. Finally, restart the browser if needed to apply all changes properly, and that's it. You've successfully enabled vertical tabs in Zen Browser. You can now manage your tabs more efficiently and enjoy a more organized browsing experience. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.